Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this session, we'll be showing you solid geometries and surface geometries. Solid geometries is actually picking the model itself to be used as the geometry. This is used in operations such as HSR and HSM, as well as any other 3D operation that we may have. It is also used in creating our target. It's also used in some certain cases in creating our stock. And it can also be used when we're creating a geometry inside our face operation. If I were to open up, for example, my face operation, as shown over here, I'll go into creating a new geometry. And we have the option over here of the type of geometry I'd like to choose. And one of them is model. By choosing model, all I have to do is go to my define on base geometry and click on the part. As you note, I'm taking a solid geometry. By clicking on the part itself, you can see I have solid 1, which is my solid geometry itself. Click on it again, it'll go away. It will not be there anymore. Now, creating a target is also a form of a solid geometry. If I were to go into target, for example, again, you'll see the same option that I had before. Click on this, it'll choose it. Click on it again, it'll get rid of it. This, by the way, can be used in other operations as well, once I've created a target. For example, if I were to go into HSM, you'll note that the geometry already comes with the target, which is actually a solid geometry. Of course, I can always go back in here and create a new one and click on the model to create a new geometry as well. This is a solid geometry, using the whole part as your geometry. Another type of geometry that we have is called surface geometries. Surface geometries is usually used in operations such as HSS and in multi-axis operations. If I were to go into HSS, for example, when we choose geometry and we define a surface geometry, all we do is pick the surface we want to work on, or a series of surfaces that we want to work on, such as this one over here, this surface over here, and so on and so forth, telling it that I want to work on those surfaces over there. It can also be for surface such as this one over here. These are surface geometries, and telling it to work on those specific surfaces, not on the whole part, not on the specific boundary, but on those surfaces. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.